Welcome, friends, to the Architecture Enthusiast and to the Secretariat Building, part of the Capitol Complex in Chandigarh, India by LeCorbusier. The Secretariat is a government office building in Chandigarh, India, and was designed by the Swiss-French architect LeCorbusier and completed in 1953. It is the largest edifice in the Capitol Complex and is the headquarters of both the Punjab and Haryana governments, measuring 833 feet long and 138 feet in height. The circulation of over 6,000 employees is aided by a system of elevators, ramps, and a spiral staircase. The building is an intimidating and tall structure in an otherwise dwarf setting, and so was constructed in a slightly sunken area. The stunning building consists of 8 floors and is designed as a healthy building with careful attention paid to natural lighting, ventilation, and organizational efficiency. The cafeteria rests atop the roof terrace, where one can have a spectacular view of the city. Similarly, the roof garden and its promenade set against the surrounding landscape, which constantly changes as the observer's angle of vision changes. The facade of the building gives a sculptural appearance with exposed concrete ramps perforated with small square windows dominating the front and rear facades. The building facade is also defined by deep recesses for sun control. This sunbreak, or brise soleil, an architectural feature that reduces heat gain in buildings by deflecting sunlight. To maximize natural lighting and increase cross-ventilation, a long and narrow plan was implemented by LeCorbusier. This approach also helped delineate both the actual and the implied borders of the Capitol complex as a whole. To visually reduce the scale of its massive facade, the Secretariat was designed with a modular facade that fragments the elevation into legible programmatic elements. This approach not only prevents onlookers from being overwhelmed by its scale, it also plays an important role with regard to the daylighting scheme of the project as a whole. The Secretariat building is built in a rough cast concrete and articulated with recesses, stair towers, projections, and other structures, creating a dynamic arrangement of forms. Even though the building is huge, it was designed as to not overshadow the other buildings of the Capitol. The Secretariat building helps in defining the space of the Capitol complex. It avoids overshadowing the Capitol as a whole despite its large size. Instead, it plays a unifying role in the complex, which is symbolic of its administrative function.